Hi everyone, I'm Roman and you're on the Dr. Cash channel. With this video, we're launching a new section in which we will analyze the funnels that have shown the result. This section can be useful primarily for beginners, but experienced publishers can also learn something useful. Let's start. So in this video, we will analyze a few creatives for the CardioBalance offer, hypertension in Chile. You will find the landing page and the link to the offer in the description, but the first creative looks like this. The title and text are in Spanish, as they speak Chilean Spanish there. The text is neutral. It tells us that this remedy helps to clear blood vessels of cholesterol in a minimum time. In the text we are again neutrally told about the product efficiency and its safety. Nobody will smell a rat here. Now let's consider the pros and cons of the picture. Pros: text formatting. The inscription is bright, contrasting and easy to read. In Chile, medicine is quite expensive, and self-medication and traditional medicine are popular among people. Therefore, an image of a doctor increases trust, giving the impression of a reliable and recommended remedy. The doctor's photo is well chosen. In general, it looks harmonious. The elements that indicate a link between the product and the solution of heart problems are read by the brain automatically, being triggers. And now for the cons. The image is generic for this niche and does not stand out much. The image of the product on the creative immediately indicates that after clicking, advertising will follow. This can be considered as a disadvantage because it will scare some potential customers, but still a more interested audience will follow the link. And here is the next creative. If we talk about a text, here we see bright elements that attract attention. The text is made in the form of a list. There is an opinion that our brain adores lists. Reading the points, the client goes from problems to solutions. Now about an image. Pros. Here we see a highlighted tonometer, which is a trigger that attracts the attention of the target audience. It can also be distinguished that the tonometer shows data of a healthy person, despite the fact that the main image is a Turkish coffee pot and a cup of coffee. This is the third point that plays on the fact that hypertensive patients can drink a limited amount of this drink. By the way, coffee binges are not recommended for a healthy person too. And then we see coffee in the picture paired with a normal pressure indicator. The disadvantages include the absence of a creative headline that would attract attention in the first place and attract the target audience in the second place. And here comes the third creative in front of you. If we talk about a text, there is a direct focus on the problem. The target audience is indicated directly in the text, and people over 40 should give a thought. About an image, here are some of the benefits. The same trigger tonometer is used. There is some intrigue in the combination of the tonometer and the main image. In general, the main image suggests unconventional methods of treatment, which, as we already know, are common there. Among cons, we can name the lack of a headline. Because of this, the conversion may be lower, as well as a combination of items on a creative that is not entirely clear at first glance. Part of the audience may pass by. And here is the landing page that these creatives referred to. It's made in the style of an interview with a famous doctor. After getting to know the doctor, we are introduced to the main problem and its consequences. Also, the advantage of this landing page is research supported by images, which increases trust in the doctor and the product. It should be recalled that when making creatives, we always start from the needs of the target audience, the niche, the features of the geo to which we drive on, and of course we test different approaches. On this, the first issue of the series on analyzing funnels comes to an end. Write your questions in the comments. I hope the video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. I wish you a great mood and high ROI.